Alright, language explorers, let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. Good. Good. When something righteous, when something is righteous, not bad or evil. So let's get a picture, like this. Yeah, here we are. Let's try and get... here we are, good. Here we are. So not evil, but good. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So when something is the way it is meant to be, it's a good film. It is a good lesson. That was a good cup of tea. It is the way it's meant to be. This is good. This tastes good. It tastes good. Yeah. It is a good idea. Very good. Very good. Yeah. I have a lot of good ideas. Yeah. Yeah. I have some good books. Some good books to read. Yeah. They have a lot of good times together. It is a good machine. It works well and the way it is meant to. He is a good teacher. He's a good teacher. She is a good student. Yeah, that was not a good path we went on. Yeah, not a good path. Yeah. That was a good film. That film was really good. These pens are quite good and useful. These pens, they're quite good. Yeah, and useful. Yeah, you want to watch a good film. I know. Was that a good display? Was it a good show? It was a good show, film, book, novel, yeah, time, adventure. It was a good adventure, yeah. How cool is that? All right. I'm thinking that it is a good book. So yeah, I'm reading a book and it is quite good. Yeah. Yeah. It is quite good. Yeah. It is quite good. There are ways it could be better, but it's good. Yeah. Yeah. I will know how good it is when I finished it. How cool is that? I will know how good it is when I've finished it. How cool is that? Oops. Yeah. Do you think it will be a good movie? How good will the movie be? Will that be a good decision? No, I'm not sure. I am not sure. It depends how good the actors are. Yeah. How cool is that? So, yeah, so good. Yeah, good. 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 How cool is that? So, can you use good in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.